COVID pandemic, we spent most of our time maintaining our hygiene as a safety measure. So, hand washing was the basic and best thing we followed to prevent the spread of infection. Washing hands in soap and running water is an effective method of killing and removing enveloped viruses such as coronavirus. To understand why hand washing is so effective in killing and removing coronavirus, it is necessary to understand how soap works at a microscopic level. First, let us see the structure of the coronavirus. Coronavirus is surrounded by a lipid bilayer consisting of two layers of phospholipids with tails facing in and heads facing out. These membranes are studded with important proteins called spike proteins that allow viruses to infect human cells. It has a single-stranded RNA as genetic material. Coming to the structure of soap, soap molecules have two chemically distinct parts, a hydrophilic, that is water-loving head, and a hydrophobic, that is water-hating tail. The head, being water-loving, allow the soap to mix with water, while the tail can interact with other hydrophobic molecules like lipids, oil, as well as dirt. In an aqueous solution, the soap molecules form special ball-like structures called micelles, within which all the tails face inwards away from the water and all the heads face outwards, coming into contact with water. When we wash our hands with soap and water, the hydrophobic tails of the soap molecules start to look for an area where there is no water. Meanwhile, they start to surround the virus particles. The tails wedge themselves into the outer layer of the virus. This effect is similar to popping a balloon with a pin. As the soap molecules penetrate into the virus coat, it splits it apart, breaking the virus open and releases its contents into the surrounding soapy water. The broken fragments are then encapsulated by soap micelles, which are eventually washed away in running water. This is why soap is very effective in removing all pathogens. Effective washing and removal of germs require 20 to 30 seconds of washing. We have to rub our hands thoroughly and create a lot of lather so that the soap can get into all the cracks and gaps in the skin where the viruses are likely to hide. So, let us maintain our hand hygiene by properly washing our hands with soap whenever necessary.